Hi, I'm Rachel Barnett from Gentle Frog. In today's video of Custom QuickBooks Training, I'm going to show you how to create an invoice for QuickBooks Premiere 2020. In this series of videos, I've just set up my sample file and now I'm going to create my first invoice. From the dashboard, I can click on Create Invoices, or I can go to the top and click on Customers, and then I can come down and click on Create Invoice. I can choose from the drop-down my customer. In this case, we're going to enter Rachel the customer. Over to the right, I'm going to change this from the product invoice to the professional invoice. In later videos, I'll show you how to customize the invoice templates. I just want to be able to show you how to create an invoice now that you've set up your chart of accounts and you've set up your item list. I can choose the date. I can modify my invoice number. We're going to start with invoice number 2000 because I think starting with invoice number 1 makes us look like a new business. My bill to, and then my terms. I'm just going to say these are due in 15 days. With the blue and white stripes, I get to pick what I've sold. So I'm going to choose hourly consulting. I'm going to say I've sold 1 unit, so one hour of hourly consulting at $175, and that I don't have anything else I'm selling to my customer. I can, if I want, put a customer message on my invoice. In the lower left-hand corner, it says Customer Messages, and I can say, "It's been a pleasure to work with you." I can choose Save and Close. It says your customer's terms have changed, this net 15 to the right. Would you like this to be permanent? Link it forever to Rachel the customer until I change it again. I'll say yes. I've now created an invoice for Rachel the customer. If I want to see that invoice, I can come back. There's lots of ways to do this. I can come back to my invoice screen. I'm just going to click the back arrow. Here I am. If I wanted to print this out to send to my customer, I can click the printer at the top of my screen. I'm not going to print it, and even if I did, you couldn't see it. So let me just choose Preview. When I preview it, you can see what the invoice looks like. What you might be thinking is what I'm thinking, which is this is not a very pretty invoice. We should fix that. We definitely will. To the right of that, I have the option to email the invoice. In a later video, I'll show you how to do that. If you have any questions about creating an invoice for a customer, please don't hesitate to let me know. You can leave a comment on this YouTube video, you can send me an email, or you can schedule an appointment. Thank you so much.